Welcome to our final week of class, week 14. This week is all about the capstone assignment. Explore the case study carefully and answer the questions completely and concisely. Once you submit this assignment, you can turn your attention to preparing for the final exam next week. If you have not already done so, I would encourage you to complete the SOSO surveys. That's SOSO. That came out just a little past midterm. You would have received an email about that from possibly the registrar's office, administration. I'm not quite sure who sends that information out. But this provides me with helpful feedback about the semester. The results are not available to faculty for 3 weeks after the end of the semester, and you can make your survey anonymous if you wish. I value your time in completing that survey, and I thank you in advance for doing that. I hope you have had a great semester learning many clinical skills. These will serve you well in next summer's supervised practice. I look forward to seeing you again in medical nutrition therapy, where we continue developing your nutrition assessment skills, grow your knowledge base, and take a deep dive into case studies. And of course, preparing you for the future. Have a great week. Good luck on the capstone assignment and the final next week. It's been a great semester.